retracement in some of these bullish imbalances to then go higher, so I wouldn't worry about it if we see any long opportunities.
Good morning. What's up, gang? What's up, gang?
Yep.
What's up, gang? What up, folks? It's folk where I'm from. Good chat.
It's funny
What's up,
because I
Mike?
do have straight husband friends that only talk like that, and it's hilarious. I love it.
Look at the platinum chart. That's just gone crazy.
What?
Crazy.
Crazy. He said crazy. Platinum.
You say, yo, that platinum
He
is
said
crazy.
crazy.
It's the best thing. The day does not get any better from here.
No, the day is
wildin'. It's a wacky Wednesday. Let's go.
Yep.
All right, 25 seconds. I'm trimming out Tesla and FSLO cards. We're right at the open.
time to trade.
I'm putting a stop in. Get it.
Let's ride.
Trade. Actually, I'm changing the title at the right time this morning.
Okay, what are you doing then?
Oh, were you doing it? No way.
No, you got it. No, it's on you. It's on you.
I wasn't gonna change it too much. I don't know if it'll let me change it now. It's not letting me. I pressed done and it. Oh, there it is. It showed up. Okay. It does let me. Cool. All right. Open up.
Yep, market's open. Let's ride.
FSLR calls up 60%, 86%, 70. Oh my Jesus, what's going on with FSLR? Oh my goodness, look at the opening candle on FSLR.
So you know what's funny about that? I'm talking about Prospero. They've been calling the energy trade lately on Prospero.
Holy shit, FSLR.
I want to take a long, but I don't like taking anything the first
Yeah.
year or two.
FSLR busting.
I'm bussing.
Bussin'?
Prospero, man. They've nailed so many individual names that we're keeping an eye on like that. I haven't been playing them because I'm focused on futures with Josh. Shit is amazing. Nailed the AVGO exit. Nailed the solar trade so far. I'm not even looking at it every day. I gotta look at it more. I'm sure there's so many more opportunities and plays happening.
Alright, trimming Tesla up 35%.
Let's go. Good morning, Evan.
Hello, dude. My Teslas are up 70. Let's go.
Okay, let's see.
We're in a trap zone. Thank you.
Yeah, we can come over here.
Hitting 50% retracement in the last hour.
22K right here.
Do we repeat the morning that we've done every morning? Drop at open into high time frame, bullish order flow to long all the rest of the day? Couldn't be surprised. But if they want to really flip it, cool with that too.
Okay, if we go up to 21,985 and reject, I'm going to short there. But I'm not going to touch it here.
Give it a light attempt, 960, 955. 30 points.
Come on, go to 890.
Yeah, coming down a VWAP here, 959.
Big rejection out of that daily fair value that we pushed up to in CPI.
I'm waiting for this candle to close. I'm short. Also, I'm a scalper. In case you guys didn't know. Okay, there's 14 points.
Q's about to fill that gap.
7.
Fill the gap.
Come on.
FSLR up $250 per contract gain. Ripping face.
Ripping face.
Ripping fucking face.
We were very close to that gap fill there.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Come on.
FSLR's in the gap. Let's go.
I'm trying along here.
That.
Trade deal can be really good for solar. No, wait, the gap fills below us, damn
I want us to come down to 57.
Yeah, I like that. I have an order down there. I have one at 42 as well.
Short M&Q, 2-minute CVC risk.
Interesting. What happened to Lockheed Martin?
Ooh, good question. I don't know. Ooh, getting smacked.
So SPY's gap got filled, Q's didn't.
Story from Bloomberg on that. Something about those F-35s that they've had trouble with.
It's a little wicky around here.
Oracle reporting later today after the close. We had Chewy this morning. Got Papers Love Sack tomorrow morning.
Scales them out.
You love paper stack?
Hmm.
Whoa.
Oh.
Hey, yo.
What the hell is this space?
I got one filled.
Paper was telling me he needed a love sack. I told him to long the stock.
He did say that, actually.
Said he was looking for one.
Alright, SPY QQQ gaps are filled.
Yeah. I tried a long already.
The opening tick was 892.
Let's go. Is that a trend day? That I feel like BK was
Yeah.
telling me something like 700.
So
You got it.
yesterday was also like 900, and I don't know if yesterday counts as a trend day, but
I would say it does based on the daily, but obviously
it made
they
higher
like that
highs
news
and
going.
higher lows all day overall, technically.
It's just not a straight up clean trend that everybody
Exactly.
jocks over. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Every dip was bought, and then after every dip, another new high came in. So technically, I'd say it could be.
It doesn't have to be clean to be a trend day. It doesn't have
Very
to
true.
happen very fast for it to be a trend day. You know?
Could also not happen until the last hour or two.
Facts. Exactly.
You can
Exactly.
do nothing all day until a catalyst comes, and then we start moving for the last 1 to 2 hours and trend in the direction out of the range. I'd say that's a trend.
Very true. Kind of similar to how, like when you're looking at a sweep of a level, it doesn't have to wick off of it. You can get full body candle closes over a level and then reclaim it, and that's a sweep still.
Yeah, I want to see us get over yesterday's high on NQ around that 21,994. We're just 15 points under it right now.
I'm looking for the long trigger. I don't have it yet, but I like this area. I need to drop. I wouldn't be opposed if we need to drop to 906 area, 919 towards these London lows.
CVC flip long on the 2-minute, I'm out.
See you pushing back to this 50% retracement of the last hourly candle. Trying to reclaim it. Holding the bottom of this 15-minute bullish imbalance and 5-minute. We
Yeah,
can
let's
hold
see
the
what-
bottom of this, reclaim that daily fair value, which is basically that 2019. Get going again. I think we could see the highs again.
Yeah, I want to see us get over yesterday's high, and then, I mean, I'm long already, but I want to see us get over that with strength.
I shorted and got about like 25 points, 23 points.
Yes, sir.
But this is a trap zone for me, so I'm not looking to take anything. I can
Morning,
just
guys.
go up though.
Morning, Frank.
Alright,
Frank.
taking off from here.
Yeah, there we go.
A nice scalp, man. That was good.
I didn't feel like any size. We got three off. Looking for at least 030.
I got put on too much size.
Mark said I had 20 points on the day already, so
A good day, Tater.
Yeah.
I think I'm probably done for the day. I'll probably take one trade on the small account. That'll be it.
Good shit.
I've already locked in about $700 this morning on Tesla and FSLR.
Nice.
So far, we're respecting this first presentation fair value, which is literally just that first presented fair value gap in the morning.
Crowd strikes ripping.
I'm with you, Casey. I'm probably done too.
Let's go.
That's a quick $4,000.
Yeah. Oh shit. You ain't got to size me up like that, man.
That's interest though.
That's a pretty exciting 10 minutes.
46.30 for me. No, it wasn't even 10 minutes. I'm in a trade like less than a minute or two.
Yeah, I'm saying it's 9:40. The
There's
market's
like
still over.
50,
Oh, yeah.
50 NQs. Catches
No.
like
No.
at points makes $4,000. It's like I'm out.
Minx spends
Hey, you
more
know
time
what?
in Pilates than she does in a trade.
Yeah, that is absolutely true.
But that's good for mental health, honestly.
Yeah, I love that mindset, Minx. I try to do similar.
Guys, I wrote it off as 0. Warner Bros. Discovery. I
Coming
have
back.
here. I have $11 calls. Weeklies. They're at 2 cents. Well, they were at 1, 3 right now.
Oh boy.
He's rich.
too long off the 10 minute.
What's your average?
We don't talk about that.
Nice long, Maple.
Only rugs to find that one. The Tesla call though, I have a sell order in at 1825. It's trading at 1680 right now. It got up to like 17.
CrowdStrike is in the top half of his earnings track.
I'm going to give this a few minutes.
603.26. If we can hold above there, I might want to go on.
I'm looking for a little bit lower actually on SPY, and then I want to try a long.
If we go below 21,950,
It'll
I'm
be
gonna
right in the
read
bullish
this.
order flow.
I think we're gonna go down to 927-ish.
No, if you can stay below 950, I think it's great 700 today.
I mean, I'm saying like the first trim, and then 891.
Internals are both positive still, both above the zero line, Baldy and Baldy Q.
But I think this 960 to about 22,010 is the trap zone.
ES has to get over 50. That's the big spot up. Which is basically 22K.
On yes, I was only up 34. Saw this morning.
Minx, you spend time overcooking your steak?
Who said that?
You're tagged in the tweet.
Oh, Wapinder. Minx cooks her steak longer than she sits in a tree.
That is true.
I'm dead.
Yeah. All right, come
You
on.
guys should
Yeah.
probably
Right
have it.
here.
Not holding yesterday's high there, so they could push it lower.
I hit Q's yesterday, the low that's right there, because it held Monday's low. I just drew a trend line from there to the pre-market low. So I want to see Qs honestly come back down underneath 534 a little bit. See buyers step in there for SPY is underneath 602.50 area. We're in a 30-minute squeeze. On
Somebody
SPY.
said the CIA is torturing people with that food. That's crazy.
It's a foreigner that actually said that too. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, he's an Austrian. Oh, he's my Euro.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just disrespected BK. That's crazy. She's so crazy.
There was a hot minute where that word was used in every sentence in my area.
Well, I know what color bandanas are in your area.
Whole lot of red unless it's a blue Dondra hat.
All the big tech are dropping except Microsoft. Microsoft is the only one ripping higher.
Drop it. But just so I can get long.
Really on Microsoft too.
Alright, we're bulling.
If you throw a channel on the TTD daily flag, we are over the midpoint now.
Okay, I'm just waiting to see if we drop below 959.
Yeah.
Test projection. I'm gonna short there.
I have orders for longs at 940.
Stop at 9:30.
Here we go.
Got the NQ. I got filled on the rest of them at 55. I got stop on all of them at 30.
All right, let's see. Come on, let's go back and retest. Okay.
All right, here we go. Here's
I stopped out, but I'm gonna get back in. I think it's 9:30, 35.
Yes, can
I'm
hold.
gonna enter a short.
You can hold higher lows on the S. Could be all right.
There we
No
go.
new lows there. No S&T at these lows.
If you're staying below 9:30,
Okay.
I really don't think there's an opportunity for buyers today.
Okay, there's 927. There's 20 points. Scale out.
I got flattened.
What'd you say, 922?
drop it over. All right, here we go.
We did invert bullish order flow in a 15-minute.
And that's how it's done.
Tapping into hourly.
Nice trade, Minxie.
Bullish.
How many seconds was that?
10.
Exactly.
Enough to where the
Complicated.
steak is still rare. Hasn't even been cooked long enough yet. Shit, the grill's not even hot. The grill's not even, the charcoal's not even great.
I don't even make it a grill.
Alright, I want to try a long right
Yeah, I just grabbed the long at 920.
QQQ.
He might be the one deck in the short, actually.
Mm-hmm.
If we want to run through high time frame bullish order flow, I'm with it. But until
Scale
that
back.
happens, I'm very bullish in this area.
Shorted some starters, 930. Short
minutes
more
left on
in
this candle.
960s. I think we got 200 points more downside.
My
Taking
first-
rugged though. We've hit daily buy
Holy
side.
shit,
We've
this
hit
guy.
weekly
What's going
highs.
on?
That guy's short?
Yep, Rizzo short today.
Well, for good reason. We finally swept out the big ass daily highs at 22K. I don't hate it. But I
Roll
want to see
out.
more before I really jump on the train too.
The video is drilling.
My girl.
He was a man. He had a beard.
Come on, come on.
think it could be up though to high. So 22.05.
I'm long.
Bristol.
Fighting the crowd here.
I'm still long myself.
I've been doing that all week.
I didn't really think too much about this trade before getting in.
It's okay. We're gonna come down. Let it do its thing.
See if it gets over 941.
There you go. Come
Target is 21,700.
on. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm can't do miracles.
Not a miracle. I think it happens.
Hey, look at that. I'm green.
15 to 20 points. It's all good.
And what's your average?
42.
Oh. I trim some here at 50.
Yeah, we're up to new highs.
Gotta stop and profit now.
Never short a full moon.
I know that's what you told me.
I think I should risk up to new highs. It's retarded.
Let it reject 60.
Sitting here doesn't say anything, but we're going to new highs.
Yeah, most of my fills at 60 there. I'm risking 90. If it takes me out there, I'd call it a day. I will preserve
All
overnight
going
green.
according to plan.
No, it's going to take a trim here.
Yeah. I already did at 50. And I have a stop in profit at 36.
I'm in too short, 2 minute EMA risk.
Another morning where we sell off right into hourly bullish gaps. Inverses we made previously. As long as those are holding, I am still very bullish. But we're having less and less spots for people to trade to.
So just
Chris, I didn't forget the beat.
yeah, I've noticed that last couple of weeks, but
Alright, well, that was a beautiful long spot there on spine cubes.
Yeah.
what did ES rate down to?
Year 40.
Yeah, no, I think I get stopped out here at 90.
Went a little hard on that bounce at $1,500. Let's go.
I go hard in the mud of pine.
Look at this bounce, though. Great job. Look at that. Nice.
We need to get over 92.
Oh, Brick Squad.
What does that mean?
I raised my stop up to.
Squad?
Like first up?
No.
Whoa.
I this. I raised my stop to 960. Like bricked up.
Get your mind out of the gutter, man.
There's 50 points with 6-minute trim.
Love it.
Go out.
Yeah, I'm up here.
Over here, baby.
There we go. Here's the 92. We have to break above that.
What a long spot.
I got my stop at 970, and I'm just letting it ride now.
And you did exactly what I was talking about with the trend line from QQ to Q. Yesterday, low to pre-market low. Drew the trend line. Low for Q is just down.
I'm all bricked up.
Isn't that what Brick Squad means?
No.
Oh,
Brick
no,
Squad,
it's
it's a
you
gang.
should never say bricked up again.
Alright, low 30s, low 40s, I'll flip long. Otherwise, I'll stay flat today. Rest of the day.
Come on, break over.
Yeah, we need to get over this 22. 22 beans.
like 25K still.
I just lost like 5K in that entire that long and that short.
I'd imagine Rizzo. Do you not use prop firms? Use your own capital?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I mean, you can. I've seen you do it, but
$4,500 daily loss limit. Like,
yeah, waste of time.
Like, I'm not trying to lose $4,500. I'm trying to lose like $5 or $10,000, so I can make like 40 or 50.
you guys are funny.
Okay, we're rejected 2,000. I mean 22,000. Sorry.
All right, no.
Yes, the
Sounds like
company
me.
personal high.
Let's see. We got the true social poster.
Amazon and Meta trying to bounce. Microsoft new high day. Google's trying to bounce.
CPI just out, great numbers. Fed should lower 1 full points. Would pay much less interest on debt coming due. So important.
Did you
You were too good.
seriously tweet that, or you're just kidding?
That's
No,
pretty
no.
much it. No, that was word for word. I just read it.
That's
Yeah.
Live.
Fed should lower 1 full point.
Why does he have to fucking talk all the time when we're trading? Like, just chill, bro. Let us trade. Like,
No, talk more.
no, he should like.
New all-time highs. This is a strong market now. You saw Biden's market back in April.
Y'all are funny. Good morning, guys. How y'all doing?
Good morning.
What's up, B?
Yo, what up, B?
Trade.
What's up, gang?
I think we're going to 605 on SPY.
Is it possible we just get another bullshit RTH session?
No.
CPI just out, great numbers, but make less interest on debt. Nice. Coming due.
Good morning, Tesla.
Good morning.
Good or below.
Ooh, 2-minute handyman though. NQ.
What's up, bro?
Yikes.
Buenos dias.
How many days until y'all think we see all-time highs again?
6
Man.
a day.
We're right there. Shit.
Ask me how many hours.
How many hours?
Yeah, we came within
He
about
said this
100
week.
points of all-time high on S&P.
Yeah, maybe by Friday. Let's see. Somebody's slurping coffee.
Ooh, Shopify, that thing's gorgeous.
Wait, Minx is slurping and bricked up. What are we doing this month?
Oh, I'm not drinking coffee.
Excusez-moi.
Watch out, NQ didn't make highs there. It's not
I
good for
really
both.
feel like you can be short.
Same guy that was telling me he's not shorting for until 2030. Short today of all days.
I'm not exiting my equity long until 2030, but shorting is anti-American. Yes, I know that.
Shorting is.
I want to catch points.
Wow, but when I want to
To
do
be
it,
fair,
it's that.
I am short bonds in gold. But actually,
The healthy market has buyers and sellers. That's your civic duty.
Microsoft is trying to hold the market up just by itself. Just by itself.
says a big announcement is coming soon.
Oh, fuck me.
Maybe they're gonna drop another meme coin.
DJT's moving on that.
I don't think it would be the same reaction when he first did it. I was like, momentum in history ever you will never get again.
Oh no, don't reject there.
Yeah, we can come in and S&T at these internal highs, untapped inefficiencies below us. Unless they want to take out this high. 24-hour candle just opened up.
Yeah, I don't know what I wanna look for the rest of the day. Based on indexes. Trace 22,200's down 76%. Ouch.
Let's go.
Oh, let's break 22,000.
What else? We have 200 points in
I don't know if what that was, but Besson is talking right now.
That's amazing.
Is he? But he's testifying to like Congress, right?
I saw a weird tick on my chart, and I was like, what's that? I think it was just wrong.
Cut in Q.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's go, Spy!
Rip it, Lotto, rip it, baby, rip it.
Oh.
Looking like a cyclone hit you.
Evil possession is already storage.
Rizzo is the market.
Ooh, Netflix.
I say we're in some low time frame, little choppiness here. I'd like to see a drop to the bottom of the range. Knock out some people long and look for it. Fighting this 50% retracement of the last 4 hour, 994. So far respecting bearish inefficiencies on the low time frame. High time frame still respecting bullish.
Come on, baby.
Drop it. But just to long it.
What? like at the break point right here. All the EMAs and the heavy levels. 60, 50 ES, 22K AQ.
ES so far respecting bearish inefficiencies on 5.
IWM looks like a bear flag that wants to break down right here.
Now the tech names look good.
SPY over VWAP, over Delta point of control. Does look like it's looks like a bull flag back into orb high.
I'm gonna stuck right here. It's like either over or under this spot.
Yeah, this is another day of trade range.
If you got an auto trend line from pre-market on the Qs, and that is crossing it up right now. Could still reject here, but if we do confirm over that bull to pre-market highs.
It looks like a pretty nice bottom wick.
Only problem I have with the 15 is we created bearish inefficiencies on the way down that we're respecting so far. We need to get back through that, which should be 22,013.
I don't know what that means.
And a bearish.
It's provocative.
Balance, bearish inefficiency.
Get the people going.
But it's provocative.
Let's see what this compression wants to do.
Yeah, I'm in 605s, but it needs to reclaim 604 here.
VIX still has a small gap to fill. And I mean tiny gap, but it's downside. SPY go upside. Hopefully.
I like the way you think.
Also watching Target, testing this zone here, see if buyers step in between 99.4, 98.4.
On these
Circles. We have a vote at 2 p.m. Eastern on the stablecoin bill. It's his Circle, maybe Coinbase on that.
I think there's going to be an auction too today, probably at 1 p.m. 10-year maybe?
I don't even have it.
Yeah, we're rejecting 22 beans.
10-minute CBC risk.
Drop it.
Yeah, Maple, I want to be short too, but yeah, it's been a little tough for me today. A lot of traps. Or just Eric right there on spaces. Or ever.
Yeah.
Or ever.
Is this what happens when you don't sleep?
Nah, Rizzo never sleeps, so he's used to this.
I don't know how, like, you would just have
He's 21.
He's not 21.
Can you do something for him?
He's halfway to 50.
21. Watch Qs do.
Yeah.
Hey, you got SMT at the bottom of the range.
Ooh. Why didn't anyone tell me to long LMT?
What, did they buy it up off of that news story?
445 is a big spot on that name.
Come on, Spot, break.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Come on, push.
Green candles on the 5-minute ever since the area was tested.
They're trying. If we get over this.
Yeah, they are trying.
13, I can think we get back to highs. Bulls have to violate that area though.
There we go.
Q's above trend line for the lower highs from pre-market. Also above previous day highs, so looking good.
About the
CBC flips, I'm out to NQ long or NQ short.
Come on, catch it.
Alright, yes, closed over. I just hold it.
I bet you're going to see a fat red candle go straight down to the previous candle low, and then it's going to go down.
You're killing me, Benny.
Very
It seems
crappy today.
It seems like that kind of price action.
Quail calm, pushing.
This is where you would want to see the big fat green candle come in. So are they going to be nice enough and give it? Or are they going to send it back down to that previous candle low, scare some people out, and do it?
MNQ long, 10-minute CBC risk.
I added.
Yeah.
That turns back.
I am just flat NQ. I am confused.
And confusion. That's Arkansas.
SPX, 60-65 calls.
Oh, don't you ever disrespect my hood again.
Welcome to my hood.
Dude, I haven't heard that song in forever.
Right? You and your man playing that hate on some Tesla. Back up.
It's taking a long time. Too long.
We need a stronger push here.
You can run to 22.13.
Yeah, I like Q's for the long versus SPY.
Rip it, Lotto. Rip it, baby. Rip it.
Apple not looking too hot instead of divergence going on.
Broadcom. Microsoft's new high day.
Fucker.
Here we go.
Oh, there you go.
Now we're looking good.
Broadcom's trying to make a new high.
That's all-time highs on Microsoft.
When Netflix turned around.
All-time high. Lovely. Lovely. It's been my single biggest position in my long term for the last, at this point, a full-on year and a half.
Which one?
Microsoft
Microsoft? Yeah.
did absolutely nothing last
It did do nothing. I mean, it is long overdue to catch up.
Little catch up.
You want some ketchup on that burger?
I'll put some Louisiana hot sauce on there.
I'll put that shit on everything.
Dude, I am craving some like fried catfish.
What? It's 7 in the morning.
I know, what is wrong with you?
Sorry, 10 in the morning. For real people.
Dude, we operate in Eastern time. It's almost lunch.
Getting over this
And
15-minute
catfish just
imbalance.
sounds good.
Google,
40s.
Google break up over VWAP. Could see back over 180.
NQ's coming up on Orb Pie, then watch for pre-market next. Trend line break was the money.
We're only 45 minutes in the market. It seems like it's been forever. I'm gonna trim here at 20 if we get it.
Yeah, this is a slow move. I'm a little cautious here.
Picks new lows. It's about to go try and fill that gap a little bit lower. Still looking for a switch higher. But it is very, very slow.
Yeah, my homie.
You told people this morning that I think you and I have got Tourette's because we just started singing out of the blue.
That's awfully insensitive.
Why? I think I have it.
I think I have it.
With songs. Like in places I shouldn't be. Don't be so sensitive.
I think you're just gifted. I love that.
I think so too.
There you go. Your PK with the glass.
Buy new highs here. Taking the orb.
605 calls looking pretty good here.
Nice work, B trades.
Thank you. I've got a spot at 604, spot 89. Love to sweep on up to that.
Oh, somebody said that's not Tourette's, that's ADHD. Okay, well, that I do have for sure.
Oh, now we got a psychiatrist in the chat?
I guess.
Just think.
Chat's cooking.
All right, $70 per contract gain. SPX call sold half.
Nice.
I'm sorry, BK. Chat's looking.
It took forever to pick a direction on that, though.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'm looking for a put spread.
If you think today took forever, you should have saw yesterday.
Yeah. It was slow as shit.
Yeah, I got lucky on that real quick drop that we were all in yesterday. Because it bounced like crazy after that. By the time that happened, my computer was closed. Uh-oh.
Yeah, still chopping around here. I got nothing right now. I mean, we had that long from the open, or not out the open, on the drop. I'll be right back 1 second.
Alright, I just trimmed the ads there for the extra 20 points.
Come on, Spy. Give me a
Oh. It's like 2,000.
Next target's like 40s. Come on, just give me a big old candle.
25-point gain MNQ. Sold half.
I know. I should have done SPY instead of QQQ. This is bullshit.
There he is. Come on, Colin, come back. Come on, send it.
I know. Come on. There goes SPY. Come on.
Yeah, slow, man. It's a slow one.
It's bumping.
If you're holding this 2019, you can get all the way at the top of this daily imbalance. Sitting at
These spies were so much better than Q's.
Don't jinx me.
I know. Bullshit.
Early
you
order
take-
break
you
here
take
for
some
the
balls?
listeners. Make sure you set a trailing stop loss or take profit here to ensure a green trade. Next target I have is 604.79. Over that, I mean, really, I think sellers are clustering their orders into the CPI supply over 605.8, 606.4. Up over $100 per contract on the SPX calls. I'm looking for that pivot break over 605 area to scale again.
Yeah, equal highs on the S, 6,061. Market loves to draw to equal levels. All I can think about is fried catfish right now. So good. That was so random.
You're not pregnant, are you?
He might be.
Baby. Close.
Let's see.
UNH just got a big pop.
Oh, is it gonna get away from $300 anytime soon?
Oh my gosh, do not.
Oh, it's at 310. It actually wants to do something.
Yeah, $4 pop in the last 10 minutes.
Hey! Let's go, UNH. Poor little thing.
Thing is that struggle of a stock. Yeah.
Oh, Bitty Corn's pushing.
Bitty cool.
Walmart CEO tweet House Republicans.
Spot red, sell green here, and view.
Nice.
Quinn's not taking none from me.
Meta CVC flip bullish.
DK, what'd you say?
Walmart CEO to meet with House Republicans.
Mm.
Oh, Doug?
By the way, I'm looking at a put spread on a big drop. 30, 40 points if we get it.
I like Doug. Looks like it just wants to make a giant candle.
Alright, I'm about to start trimming Q's. Come on.
All right, I'm out half right here at 50%. Try to hold for 100% or so on the rest.
Go, baby, go.
I just want one more little pop right up to that 605 area, and then we'll see what we do from there. But it's taking so long, I want to take some profits.
Microsoft is still zooming.
You say zoom, zoom, zoom.
Only like 20 more cents.
AC's favorite song.
What's on?
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
And my heart go boom, boom. Supernova girl. I trimmed light of Q's here. I want to see a ripper candle. With all DQ NQ is stronger than Vol D. VIX is still coming down for the gap fill. Come on, just keep pushing.
Okay, you can do it. Stick. Give me a big stick.
We're right into that supply, right off of the open. Goes from 30 to 41. Over 41, I'll target 80, right? Goes with sellers failed 20s. You typically see 70s to 80s on NQ.
Come on, explode higher.
Wow. Keep pushing up to that 50 level, please.
Is that a short spot for you, Vince?
I'm gonna look for one, yeah.
I'm all out of my futures here, just over 100 points.
Very nice.
Great work there, Knox.
Yeah.
The firm is running. You might see upside if it's over VWAP here. Catch up. Do they still trade together?
They should. I mean, I haven't really watched them in a while, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, dailies look very similar, so yeah, watch your upstart.
I really feel there's going to be a nice dip to buy back in on Q soon. I just feel like it's just way too slow.
All right, gap fill on VIX. I believe. Take it 42. I'll buy a penny. Miss a buy a penny. Looks good.
Man, this is starting to feel like the longest quick scalp in the world.
Right?
Just push, dude. Do what you're gonna do.
That's how we bulls do it. We just slow grind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, remember, VIX at 1640. She ain't just gonna go nuts. Gotta do the slow grind.
They're not efficient. They're on the
Efficient. Look
island.
at CPI. That tells me different.
Jordan,
$130 per contract gain. SPX calls. I sold a quarter.
JoJo, I want my filet mignon, and I want it now.
Are you sure you don't want the fish? Fried fish?
Well, like,
Seven?
No, that's me.
Midwest Minxie, wherever you'd like to go, we can go. That's fine. You said.
Rob, take another
taking
trim
my
here.
final trim here.
Yeah, I'm taking another trim here on Q. Gonna move a stop up now. Doesn't go red.
Over 100 points from that original entry.
Love it.
Every morning this week has been the same. Short to open into big buy areas.
Tried to tell you guys it was a full
40
moon.
point gain. MNQ sold a quarter.
Well, Papa.
Just driving it higher.
157.
Mm-mm.
Did we snipe the low this morning on the dip or what?
I didn't get the low, but I got like 928.
There we go.
Yeah, that was a nice bottom wick to play on that.
Yeah, look at that 15 minute.
Yeah.
New highs, new highs, new highs.
Just took out those equal highs on ES. Watch for an intraday slap.
It just got trailing stopped.
I think on any dip, as long as you're holding that 15-minute imbalance, we go see highs, and 157, top of the daily imbalance we've tapped into this morning.
It's funny that 604.89 area is exactly where the top of this little wick is right here. Funny how that works.
Push it up to 50. Please and thank you.
Funny how every time we pretty much sweep a big time frame liquidity, we just go to the opposing equal levels, relative equal highs, equal lows every time, every day.
Chop, 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 chop.
On repeat.
I've said this before. It would be beautiful if every single day we can just dump in the first, 15 minutes, and then I can leave. You guys can do whatever you want.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I say
CFO
this
makes-
week is lined up perfectly with those spots.
No, Pilates not. No, you're not.
Yeah, no, they moved it up today.
You wish. No, because you're going to be begging me to come back because we're going to be reversing sometime.
This thing would be up another 50 points if you wouldn't be selfish and just leave.
Looking at the 30-minute, like this is starting to look parabolic.
157 BK. Call my name when it's there, okay? Except I'll be on a plane. So.
Where are you going now?
New York.
Oh, yeah.
Just for just till Saturday.
Okay. Wait, is M going too?
Not this next month. He's going.
Wow, okay.
We'll all be down there. I don't know if I'm meeting anyone at this one from the Wolf group. It might just be me. Boys are sending me out.
I'm tempted to just drive.
How far are you?
Maybe like 9.5, 10 hours.
Hell no.
Fly it. Just fly it.
Well, I can't.
I think I got you beat.
He's on the no-fly list.
Oh, my stuff won't be done in time for me to fly.
Oh.
My driver's license says not for federal identification.
Oh, you don't have a star?
And no, I don't have the
Look
spell
up on
on it.
ChatGPT what happened.
And I don't have a passport. Never have.
What the frick?
Ask ChatGPT how to get through that.
Oh my gosh.
Might give you a tip.
No passport, no driver's license? Like, seriously.
But
They're
he's
gonna
living on
deport
the
you.
edge.
They're gonna deport you.
Where can I go outside of my city and drop off my 3 babies so I can go enjoy fun time in another country? It's never gonna happen.
We call it mother-in-law's
Bro.
house. Right.
Mother-in-law's house.
Yes.
Come on, drop it
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, we don't have that option.
So take them.
You are.
let me tell you what not to
do you have 3 babies under the age of 3?
No, sweetheart, I only have one kid.
You're very lucky.
Okay.
It's a choice.
Let me tell you what you're not gonna do, and that's take those little fuckers with you.
Yeah, it's a 3-year-old.
I feel like the
one-year-old
only
not
person
small.
who understands this is M. M knows.
I got like running circles through customs at the airport. I was trying to get into the country.
Keep on, just add another one in there, and it just gets better.
Customs officer was like, "Where's the mother at?"
The customs
My
guys
son's
asked
like-
you that?
Yeah, my son was like, "She doesn't have papers."
She doesn't have papers.
Dude, when you're traveling with like your babies and you're outnumbered with babies to parents, that ratio, like that's when it starts to get aggravating. You're like, is it really worth it?
It's so tough. You gotta have one. That's why like my mother-in-law's like with us pretty much all the time. So we have like at least an adult per child.
Yeah, that's the only way you can do big trips like that is if you have those extra set of hands there to help you. But when you're outnumbered, especially when they're not old enough to physically take care of themselves yet, like it is not fucking worth it to like go out and do those things.
Last year when we went to the beach, like it was not relaxing at all.
Right? So that's what I tell people. Everyone's like, just bring them. I'm like, no, because it's going to take me an hour or 2 hours to pack everything up to get there. I was like, and when we get there, like, it's not
It's going to be terrible.
You know what else is fun? Is dragging 100 pounds of crap across the sand.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that's true.
You go down, yeah.
Did you guys not
those
think
resorts.
about this stuff before you,
Before what? Maybe?
Before what? Before we got bricked up?
There we go. MQ higher high on the micro here. We're over 41.
No, sorry,
I feel
I
like
was
the next
thinking on the
target
wrong
is
head.
70s to 80s on MQ. That lines right up with the 10-minute supply, going from 22,080 to 22,006.
Yeah, so like the last resistance spot here. 63.
see, I thought about all of that when I was looking at my dead markets. Yeah, I'm good with one.
I couldn't have one kid. I feel bad for, like,
I'm gonna have a fucking empire.
yeah, like I would have to have more than one kid.
I'm
Like,
gonna
we
have an
wanted two.
empire
That's the
of
prize
children.
of twins.
Jordan, you say that until you have the second one?
Oh, I know. I'm not saying it's not gonna be hard. Oh, I know.
No. Which, like, if you have two in diapers, it's like, I don't know,
Rough.
SQC.
Oh, I'm short.
I went from 1 to 3.
Yeah, like that.
Like,
I'll have help,
skip
I'll have
the 2.
help.
Like having one. That's like I had the conversation with somebody else the other day. Like having one kid the first few months are rough. Like learning how to be like a parent, stuff like that. But then afterwards, dude, the goal is just keep them alive, and then it's easy.
Keep them alive.
Like you get the hang of it, you get the routine down, and you're freaking solid. Then one kid's freaking easy. But then when you get surprised with twins, and it goes from 1 straight to fucking 3,
Yeah,
that humbled you very quickly.
that's a little scary.
That humbled you. Yeah.
It's
Frank's like, what are you kids talking about?
All I heard Casey saying was he's got 2 people that can start working at the age of 16.
Fast.
Training for this family.
Yeah.
Stop
Might be
bringing the
15 out
money.
there in Carolina.
I mean, workers permit 15 and a half years, so
I was
that's
working
what I
at
did. I worked at 15 and a half.
Yeah, so I was mowing lawns at 12.
I was refereeing
Yeah.
soccer games.
I did too. I did. It's funny.
Yeah, I did the-
Like,
You know the baseball
Those
game like
tournaments, dude,
snack
you could-
bar?
Alright, and Q rejected at least R2.
Upstart going.
What? 57.
what did they do, BK?
Slow grind it all day.
Sure. I think just
That's
taking
fun to try it after taking these equal highs on the end, to be honest. Not a bad spot to try it at all. I don't hate that first go. You balance
BK, what is the Real Incorporated?
Huh?
The Real. Ticker REAL, Real.
Oh, real? You're so southern. I don't even know like what you try to say.
The Real.
Real.
That's what it's called. It's the company says.
Just don't ask
It's
them
just
if you want to accept the deal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go on big.
A little slow grind.
Yeah, so now VIX can double bottom here at the pre-market low. And we'll just maybe stall out here, or VIX can hopefully break this pre-market low, grind down, and then
Took NQ long on another account, 10-minute CBC.
okay,
I'm glad I'm not the only one. This shitty one's up here.
We do have new 15-minute amounts that look for a dip to at 22, 25 once this 15-minute candle closes in 5 minutes.
I want
Most
to
of
get
this,
that.
look, we've broken or high. We've broken previous day high. The
Yep.
opening candle is green.
Yep.
The gaps are filled. Like every metric is bullish.
Yeah, but we need a
And
little
it's
bit
a
of
full
Move! It's going to be they're calling it a strawberry move.
Yeah, this is when you go pick the strawberries. I've done that before too.
pull back down to like 22.11, please?
I think you'll get that here in the next 15-minute candle.
That would be very nice. We need a pullback.
No, I'm with you. I think you can get that.
We already got it.
I just
No,
imagine it
we
holds,
not.
but imbalance
Just
has been
back like
created better
150
untapped.
points.
Yeah, but you
Untapped
gotta
is
understand.
rebalancing too, so doesn't make me bearish, but
No, not bearish.
Hey guys, I'm gonna step away here. I mean, I already got a major long right near the bottom around 920. Got just about 100 points in that. I'm looking for put spreads. I'll post a put spread today on Twitter. But other than that, I will catch you guys later. Everyone have a great day. Be smart. So far, really good day. Pretty simple. As simple as it can be. Market's always rough. But just waiting for that opportunity now. I want to look for a dip, get a put spread, ride it up, have fun.